How you doing, guys? Back. Another video testing out my snowplow that I built. So if you guys saw my video from a week or so ago, we got about a foot of snow here in Iowa and worked great, did really well. But now, so it's been, I think it's been about a week, and I've got a neighbor who lives up the road, up that way, and they haven't cleared their driveway yet. So they've been driving. There hasn't been a lot of traffic in and out of there, but I have seen some tracks. I've been driving, you know, packing down a foot of snow for the past week, the little bit of traffic that's been in and out. And I don't know exactly the story. Actually, I actually cleared their driveway for them last year. I did all last year with my rear scraper blade. And last summer, they actually got a BX. And so I haven't done it this year because they've got, you know, their own tractor. But I don't see the tractor parked up there. They haven't cleared it in the last week. And I know she had was dealing with some health stuff last year, and he had a surgery too. So I don't know if possibly they might be, you know, kind of down with some more health stuff or what the situation is. But driving past it every day, it's kind of driving me nuts, and I feel like I want to try to help them out, whatever their circumstances are. And so I'm going to go up there and see if I can do this. Now, I really have no idea if I'm going to be able to break through this snow. Like I said, it's really well packed down. So the key, I think, is just going to be try to get under it. If I can get under it, pop it loose, then I should be okay. But today's a pretty warm day. It's low 30s today, so it's melting just a little bit. Coming tomorrow, and then for about the next week, the thermometer's dropping, and we're going to be actual temperatures like around zero. I think a few days actually below zero. Wind chill's way below zero, and we've got a blizzard coming in tomorrow. So it's just going to get ugly from here, and it's going to freeze solid, and it's going to be solid until probably April if it doesn't get cleared. So anyway, I'm going to throw the camera up on the back of the tractor here so you can kind of watch. I don't know how well this will work. It might be a complete failure, and I might turn around with my tail between my legs, but we'll go ahead and fire up the tractor and see what we can do. All right, so that went, I think, probably about as well as I thought it would. Definitely packed hard, as you can probably see from that. If ever I needed chains on this tractor, on the front of the tractor, is when I was trying to do that. So you can see what I was doing is I was using that technique where I actually tip the plow down. So rather than having this angle here, I'd tip it down so I get more of a direct scrape, which is what I figured out to use on the concrete slab to scrape better. So that was good, but it causes that front end, when I have my blade turned, to want to grab and just move the front end of the tractor, which is when I really needed chains. But multiple passes back and forth, and I got most of it. There's a layer of, you know, just solid ice on the bottom, right on the gravel, that there's no way that you're going to get that up. So who knows, maybe the sun will work on it a little bit today. It's going to be frozen solid for the next at least 10 days, because like I said earlier, we're going to be below zero. So at least I feel good that I did a little bit to help them out there. You know, they can, whatever, it is what it is. I should have probably done it earlier, but I didn't want to just, you know, I didn't want to just jump up there and do it without, you know, somebody asking me. Basically, I had emailed them to see if they wanted a hand, and I didn't hear back. So I decided, heck with it, I'll just do it. So anyway, another test for the blade, did well. Talk to you guys later. See you in the next video.